gangs. Why do people join gangs? What are the reality of joining gangs? And what are the consequences of joining the gang? Today I'll be basing my speech on youth who join gangs. Why is my speech about gangs? My speech is about gangs because I have friends who are past associated with gangs, such as my mum, my Mangu mums, and the Black Power. My mum told me and my siblings always never to go there, that kind of stuff, because it can lead you to bad places. What are gangs? A gang is an organisation of criminals who are territory of their, or who are aware of their territory. Why do youth join gangs? Youth join gangs to fit in, or because their upbringings in their family or families, or they just want to feel cool. What is the reality of joining a gang? Youth like to join gangs because they think it's cool and they think it's going to get them somewhere in life. Youth don't realise what some gangs can do to people. There's different kind of gangs like motorbike gangs, and some gangs that are just thrown into the police. And some gangs which are just well done. Joining a gang has to be a long time commitment if you're willing to be in the kind of position. Teens are like prospects to the adults. They do the dirty work for them. They're made to sell drugs, beat people and steal. Ask yourself, do you really want to be that kind of person? And what would your family think of you? What are the consequences of joining a gang? Obviously the consequence of joining a gang is the things you have to do for the adults to prove that you're committed to being in the gang. Teens are made to beat people up, steal, fight, and prove they're willing to be in a gang. You are made to sell illegal drugs like marijuana, cocaine, etc. Also, another consequence of joining a gang is having an effect on your family and making them suffer because of the stupidity of your actions. What do gangs do? Gangs sell drugs, beat people, learn how to fight, and get into trouble with the police. They do all sorts of kind of crazy stuff. Why you shouldn't join gangs? From my point of view, you shouldn't join gangs. Because I see my family and friends go through it. They're in a dark place now. They can't escape beating people up and selling drugs. Do you really want to do that kind of stuff? Your family could be really disappointed in you. What if you had kids? Do you reckon you'd be doing them a favour? Just think before you do stupid things to yourself and affecting your family. Want to know some facts? Gangs wear a specific piece of clothing to be recognised, like bandanas, hats, or they get a permanent marking of a tattoo or symbol. What are the statistics? 15% of juveniles are in prison, and in prison are female, and 85% are male. 90,000 boys are in some kind of detention facility, and 9 out of 10 boys in detention have some level of gang affiliation. 14,000 girls under the age of 19 are in some kind of placement, detention, residential placement, or correctional facility. It isn't clear how many have gang affiliation, but between 90 to 94% of gang members are male, between 6% to 10% are female. There are approximately 360,000 teenage boys and 32,000 teenage girls in gangs. There are approximately 560,000 adults and 48,000 adult females in gangs.